Hey, good morning. This is Dan Allen with Forté. We're in the Avixa booth. We're looking at operational insights today. So it's really all about what our spaces do, how we keep the technology working all the time, and also how we get workplace insights that can kind of guide the future investments that we make and the operational deliveries that we do there. So on the left-hand side, we're seeing kind of the legacy way that we do things. We've got multiple different platforms. We've got multiple different device manufacturers. We've taken AI and created a dashboard that allows us to integrate all that data together and really see all of it holistically. So I can see at a glance what my service uptime is. I can see at a glance what any service tickets that I've got that have escalated, as well as any maybe support requests, all in one place. The next thing I get to do here is more of the workplace insights. So I can see which rooms are causing me constant problems, which sites or which facilities maybe we get utilization problems later in the day. So all this data is being automatically analyzed by AI, and it's being presented to me with those trends and those escalation points so that I can take a look at it as a human. I can delve in, ask the right questions at the right time. And then the other cool thing is if I have specific questions, I can ask this AI agent. So if I'm just curious which of my rooms of my estate get booked, but nobody shows up, so it'll give me that data real quickly, all in one place, and I can quickly go through here and see, oh, my Tokyo boardroom, people have a tendency to book it 89% of the time, but only show up 30% occupancy. So I might want to, as a manager, I might want to delve in and find out why that is. If there's a technology problem, if there's a heating and AC problem in the room, anything that's going to drive and impact my users. And lastly, we're showing this last piece, which is more of the workplace engagement. So this is a fun thing we built for the booth just to show all the cool experiences that we've got, the games that we've got playing. We can easily see and aggregate all that data, see what the most popular games were, what the most popular responses were. Just fun for us in the booth. All right, if you got any more questions, feel free to reach out to www.forte or ourforte.com.